tropical plantation where your journey begins, from fresh pineapple to golden dried snack.
Perfect ripeness visible in golden color. Each plant produces single precious fruit.
Expert nose and hands determine perfect harvest moment. Experience recognizes ideal ripeness.
Single clean cut separates fruit from plant. Manual harvest prevents bruising damage.
Padded baskets prevent bruising during collection. Gentle handling starts in field.
Quick transport from plant to collection center. Freshness maintained through speed.
Collection center aggregates harvest from entire plantation. Organized receiving handles volume.
Only premium fruit proceeds to processing facility. Quality standards enforced immediately.
Ventilated crates allow air circulation during transport. Organized packing prevents compression.
Short journey from field to factory maintains freshness. Farm to factory connection beginning.
Processing facility receives fresh harvest within hours of cutting. Rapid processing maintains quality. Minimal time from harvest to processing. Speed preserves natural fruit quality.
Continuous flow from receiving to processing areas. Efficient material handling begins. Rotating brushes and water spray remove field contamination. Sanitation begins immediately. Clean fruit emerges ready for crown removal. First processing step completed.
Mechanical twisting removes crown cleanly. Automated process replaces manual labor.
Crowns become compost or animal feed. Sustainable byproduct management practiced.
Decrowned fruit advances to peeling equipment. Sequential processing continues.
Automated peeling replaces tedious manual work. Machine precision ensures consistency.
Golden flesh reveals natural sweetness and quality. Perfect ripeness for dried product.
Peels contain valuable compounds for juice or compost. Zero waste processing practiced.
Peeled fruit ready for core removal operation. Processing sequence advancing systematically.
Cylindrical blade removes tough fibrous core. Mechanical precision extracts inedible center.
Fibrous cores pressed for juice or composted. Every byproduct stream managed systematically.
Hollow cylinders ready for slicing into uniform rings. Shape enables consistent cutting.
Industrial slicer cuts hundreds of rings per minute. Commercial capacity for volume production.
Rotating blade creates uniform thickness slices. Precision ensures consistent drying later.
Perfect rings with uniform thickness emerge continuously. Consistency critical for even drying.
Golden rings advance toward treatment process. Sequential operations, maintaining flow.
Sulfite solution prevents browning during drying. Preservative maintains golden color. Timed soaking ensures proper preservative penetration. Chemical treatment preserving quality. Treated rings advance to rinsing station. Excess solution returns to treatment tank. Clean water rinses surface treatment residue. Preparation for efficient drying. High-velocity air removes surface water. Pre-drying reduces thermal drying time needed.
Single-layer arrangement allows air circulation around each ring. Spacing critical for even drying.
Perfect spacing ensures uniform heat and airflow exposure. Optimization for consistent drying.
Loaded trays advance to drying chambers. Dehydration process approaching.
Industrial dehydrator operates continuously at controlled temperatures. Commercial capacity for volume processing.
Systematic loading maximizes chamber capacity. Organized placement ensures efficiency.
Computer control maintains precise drying temperature. Thermal precision critical for quality. Hot air circulation begins moisture evaporation. Dehydration process underway.
Engineered airflow ensures uniform drying across all trays. Distribution optimization prevents uneven results.
Gradual shrinkage and color intensification visible. Dehydration progressing systematically.
Regular moisture testing tracks drying progress. Scientific monitoring ensures proper dehydration.
Multiple temperature zones optimize drying efficiency. Staged process prevents surface hardening.
6 hours transforms fresh rings into leathery texture. Substantial moisture removal achieved.
Final stage produces flexible golden rings. Target moisture content nearly reached. Completed drying cycle produces finished dried fruit. Systematic removal begins cooling process. Cooling period allows temperature equilibration. Conditioning stabilizes final moisture content.
Flexible texture and golden color indicate perfect drying. Natural sugar concentration creates slight tackiness.
Organized cooling allows air circulation around all fruit. Systematic approach to temperature reduction.
Quality-approved fruit advances to packaging operations. Final processing stages beginning.
Mechanical grading separates rings by size. Uniform sizing ensures packaging consistency.
Graduated openings separate sizes mechanically. Simple physics enabling accurate sorting.
Separate bins collect each size grade. Organized inventory ready for packaging.
Premium whole rings selected for top-tier packaging. Visual quality creates product tiers.
Broken pieces become value tier product, still delicious despite imperfect appearance.
Premium product flows to specialized packaging. Quality determines packaging destination.
Multiple lines package different sizes simultaneously. Organized production of product variety.
Automated weighing ensures consistent portions every package. Accuracy through mechanical control. Clear packaging displays golden product beautifully. Visibility attracts consumer interest.
Nitrogen atmosphere prevents oxidation. Modified packaging extends shelf life significantly.
Heat sealing creates airtight protective closure. Hermetic seal maintains product quality.
Professional packaging showcases premium product. Clear window highlights golden quality. Labels provide required information and branding. Regulatory and marketing combined. Date coding enables complete product traceability. Every package identified for quality tracking.
Metal detection prevents contamination. Automated safety protecting consumers. Contaminated packages automatically diverted. Safety system prevents defective distribution.
Final inspection verifies all packaging quality. Human verification before case packing.
Seal strength testing ensures package integrity. Physical verification confirms quality.
Quality-approved packages ready for case packing. Individual packaging complete. Secondary packaging protects individual packages. Case packing beginning. Systematic loading ensures accurate count and protection. Organized packing for distribution. Package design matches case dimensions perfectly. Optimization prevents wasted space.
Filled cases advance to sealing equipment. Processing flow continues systematically. Automated sealing secures cases efficiently. Strong closure protects during shipping. Case labels identify contents for distribution. External marking enables logistics. Complete information enables efficient distribution. Logistics data clearly displayed.
Quality-approved cases advance to palletizing. Final bulk packaging approaching.
Robotic and manual palletizing creates stable shipping units. Systematic stacking optimizes space. Robotic precision ensures perfect case alignment. Automated stacking following engineered pattern. Interlocking pattern creates structural stability. Engineering optimizes load integrity. Systematic layer building creates stable pallet. Progressive stacking to optimal height. Completed pallet reaches optimal shipping height. Geometric precision achieved throughout. Automatic wrapper prepares to secure load. Stretch film application beginning.
Initial wraps anchor film to pallet base. Foundation secured before vertical wrapping.
Spiral wrapping unifies pallet into single unit. Multiple passes ensure security.
Extra top wrapping prevents upper layer shifting. Complete encapsulation achieved.
Transparent wrapping secures while maintaining visibility. Protection without hiding contents. Completed pallets accumulate ready for warehouse. Organized staging by production batch.
Identification labels enable inventory tracking. Barcodes creating digital records of physical goods.
Complete information enables efficient warehouse management. Comprehensive data displayed clearly. And forklift begins transport to warehouse storage. Material handling operation starting. Smooth hydraulic lift raises pallet safely. Professional technique prevents load damage.
Internal logistics, connecting production to storage. Journey from packaging to warehouse.
Skilled operators handle valuable cargo carefully. Expertise protects finished product. Climate-controlled warehouse maintains product quality. Professional storage protects dried fruit.
Digital systems track every pallet and location. Real-time inventory management.
Barcode scanning creates digital inventory record. Automatic database updating. System directs placement to optimal storage location. Guided navigation ensures organization.
Strategic placement considers product type and production date. Organization enables efficient retrieval.
Secure placement on structural beams. Load safely transferred to storage. Climate-controlled storage preserves product quality. Protected inventory awaiting distribution.
Organized inventory represents production achievement. Systematic storage, maximizing space.
Continuous monitoring maintains optimal storage conditions. Automated climate control protects quality. Temperature within specification protects product. Climate control maintaining quality preservation.
First in, first out ensures oldest product ships first. Rotation management maintains freshness.
Warehouse at capacity with finished product. Efficient storage maximizing available space.
Inventory data guides distribution planning. Management analyzing stock and demand.
Journey complete from tropical plantation to warehouse storage. Manufacturing accomplished successfully.